So we are here today in University Heights, Demolition Day, Day 1. Let's go in and take a look here. This is RV Home Improvement. We do repairs and renovations. We have marked the house, all locations that have to be demoed. And as you see, pretty much have to open it all up. Gluten safe. This room is fine. The dining room is saved. They're starting on the kitchen now. We're going to try to save the countertops and the cabinets, sink and faucet. Floors will be fine. We marked this area as well. Full demolition. This was caused from water damage. You have to take off the paneling. And go up to the second floor. This whole wall here. The restroom, actually, it's okay. We don't have to demo that. All the doors have swollen, so we have to remove the doors. First bedroom, top of the steps. This wall have to be removed. Lots of little minor damage to this master bedroom. We have to demo that whole wall. Partial that wall and that wall near the window. This room here is a full demo. This room actually had ice. Floors will be sanded down, replaced with carpet. Started in the attic wall, right there. And luckily we don't have to demo too much of the attic. And the break also happened in the crawl space. Again, day 1 of demo. I will make a second video once we have the whole property open. So the property is going to need carpet, flooring, drywall, painting. We have to remove these doors because they have also swelled up. So this is the company we use. So again, reporting University Heights demo day, day 1. Here's my company information. We are licensed, bonded, and insured. RV Home Improvement. We do residential and commercial, full renovations. Phone number 330-577-3853. And the website, as you see, rvhomeimprovement.com. Please go to our YouTube page, L of L Management, to get more information on this property. Once we finish demo and all the repairs and renovations, this house will go on the market for rent. Stay tuned.